Hey, what's up, guys? Hey.
Hey everyone, get ready for exciting content where I share insightful tips, fun projects, and important lessons. Welcome back to my channel. It's your farm buddy. It's your farm buddy here, and today I'm about to show you my secret to staying young, healthy, and fighting cancer. All from the comfort of my own backyard. I'm not talking about expensive creams or miracle pills. Nope. I'm talking about real plants. The ones I grow right here in my backyard. Yes, all 26 of these antioxidant-packed anti-cancer powerhouse are grown right here. And the best part, you can grow them too. Antioxidants are the heroes we didn't know we needed. They protect us from aging and keep our body in top shape, all while fighting cancer. Today, I am ranking the top 26 plants I've planted right here in my own backyard. And I'm going to share why they're not just healthy, but packed with anti-cancer benefits too. Top 26. Okra or lady's finger. Okra isn't just great for soups and stews, it's a hidden antioxidant gem. This humble veggie is rich in flavonoids, polyphenols, and vitamin C, which all help neutralize free radicals and lower cancer risk. Okra is also packed with mucilades, a natural fiber that supports gut health and helps regulate blood sugar, which is essential for youthful glow from the inside out. Whether you enjoy it steamed or in sinigang, okra is a crunchy, healthy addition to your garden harvests. Top 25. Bananas. Bananas aren't just a quick energy boost. They're packed with dopamine, vitamin C, and catechins, which are antioxidants that help reduce the risk of cancer and support heart health. Plus, their potassium content helps regulate blood pressure and keeps your skin hydrated and glowing. Whether you eat them fresh, add them to smoothies, or use them for healthy snacks, bananas are must-have in any garden for both health and happiness.
From Natarani Boyet.
Top 24. Pineapple. This tropical favorite isn't just sweet, it's packed with bromelain and vitamin C, both powerful antioxidants. This help boost your immune system, fight off cancer cells, and even promote smooth, young-looking skin. Plus, bromelain helps reduce inflammation so you stay healthy inside and out. Pineapple is more than a treat. It's a real health and grooming body straight from my backyard garden. Top 23. Sweet corn. Sweet corn isn't just a tasty treat. It's packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, powerful antioxidants that protect your eyes and help prevent cancer. It also contains ferulic acid, which has been shown to fight free radicals and reduce inflammation. Whether grilled, boiled, or added to your favorite dishes, sweet corn is a delicious and nutritious addition to your garden that helps keep you healthy and young looking. Next up, our local citrus hero, the top 22, calamansi. Calamansi These tiny fruits is loaded with vitamin C and flavonoids, two powerful antioxidants that help strengthen your immune system, fight off cancer cells, and promote smooth, youthful looking. Whether you squeeze it into your drink or add it to your dishes, calamansi is a super simple way to stay healthy and glowing naturally. Top 21. Lemon. Lemon is loaded with vitamin C and flavonoids that protects your cells from cancer. I grow them right here and use them for fresh lemon juice and just for a quick healthy snack. They're also fantastic for skin care. Humot ko lang din. Tangan na ayos be, nagdag kong ayos eh. Ligabo na noon. Sige, kadayos mag-inom ta kay. Marabig yung iga nga. Oh, di man kayo po igang bugnaw, paman ka na pa may amihan. Pero init lang ang gawas. Top 20, lemongrass. Let's not forget lemongrass. More than just a fragrant herb, lemongrass is packed with quercetin, a powerful antioxidant that helps detox your body, boost your immune system, and fight off cancer cells. Plus, it smells amazing in the garden and makes the perfect tea for relaxing and staying healthy inside and out. Top 19. Atsal or green bell pepper. Atsal or green bell pepper is full of vitamin C and carotenoids that fight cancer and protect your skin. It's a staple in my garden and a key part of my skincare regimen. Top 18. Taro. Taro is full of polyphenols and antioxidants that help protect against cancer and keep your body healthy. It's easy to grow and makes a hearty, nutritious meal that can help you feeling young. Top 17. Eggplant, or locally known as talong. Eggplant are rich in nasonin, a powerful antioxidant that protects your cells, especially your brain, from damage caused by free radicals. Plus, the fiber and phytonutrients in talong help support heart health and may help reduce cancer risk. Top 16. Ginger, known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger also has gingerol, which can help prevent cancer. It's great in tea, smoothies, and even in savory dishes, supporting both your skin care and overall health. Top 15. Coconut. Coconut is more than just a tropical trait. It's rich in phenolic compounds that act as antioxidants, helping protect your cells from damage. Whether it's fresh coconut meat, virgin coconut oil, or coconut water, it's a tasty way to strengthen your immune system, reduce inflammation, and even nourish your skin from the inside and out. Top 14. Kangkong, or water spinach. Kangkong is a local favorite, but it's also full of antioxidants that protects your body from cancer causing free radicals. I grow it easily in pots or just in the soil, and it's helped boost the immune system naturally. Now, top 13. Tomato. Rich in lycopene, tomatoes have been linked to lower risk of prostate cancer and breast cancer. I grew them right here in my aquaponics garden and add them to almost everything. Plus, they're great for maintaining young-looking skin. Top 12. Sweet bell pepper. Red or green. Here's one of the easiest and most colorful ways to stay healthy. Sweet bell pepper. These vibrant veggies are packed with vitamin C and powerful antioxidants like beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin. All of these work together to strengthen your immune system, fight off cancer cells, and keep your skin looking young and fresh. Whether you eat them raw, grilled, or mixed into your favorite dishes, bell peppers aren't just tasty, they're a real boost for your health and your skin. Top 11. Dragon fruit. Full of vitamin C and beta-cyanins. Dragon fruit is a cancer-fighting and immune-boosting superhero. Plus, it looks amazing in photos. Who doesn't love a bright pink fruit that also work wonders for skincare? Top 10. Sweet potato and yam. Not just any sweet potato. I'm talking about the purple variety, rich in anthocyanins that block cancer cell growth and boost overall health. And let's not forget about yam, which is also full of these amazing antioxidants. Both of these root crops are staples in my garden. And whether you roast them, mash them, or simply enjoy them as a snack, they're delicious and incredibly healthy. They're a double whammy for your health, keeping you young looking and strong. Top 9. Papaya. Loaded with lycopene, papaya helps fight cancer and keeps your body healthy from the inside and out. Plus, it's rich in vitamin C, which is essential for a glowing complexion and boosting your immune system. Top 8. Pichay or Chinese cabbage. Pichay may look humble, but it's leafy green loaded with vitamin C, beta-carotene, lutein, zeaxanthin, and glucosinolates. These nutrients and compounds help cleanse the body, support the immune system, reduce inflammation, and may protect against cancer. Simple, easy to grow, and a powerful ally for staying young and healthy. Top 7. Spinach. Spinach is packed with beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin, and all antioxidants that helps fight free radicals and protects your eyes. It's simple, but it's an essential part of my antioxidant garden that supports both your immune system and young-looking skin. Top 6. Grapes. Grapes, especially the purple ones, are rich in resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant that helps fight cancer and prevent aging. It's like a glass of wine, but without the buzz, and perfect for your skin care routine. Top 5. Strawberry. Rich in anthocyanins, ellagic acid, and vitamin C. Strawberries are not only delicious, but also anti-cancer heroes. They help prevent cancer cell mutations, keep your skin looking radiant, and keep you young looking with every bite. Top 4. Calabash fruit or miracle fruit. Calabash fruit isn't just an old folk remedy. It's loaded with antioxidants, especially flavonoids, saponins, and phenolic compounds that help fight cancer, reduce inflammation, and strengthen your immune system. Traditionally used for coughs, asthma, and even heart health. This fruit is a natural powerhouse for keeping your body healthy and your skin young looking. I love having this unique fruit growing in my backyard, both for its health benefits and its rustic charm. super fun, and healthy. This is one I grow in my backyard for a little surprise. And the bronze medalist, saluyot, the top 3. Saluyot or jute leaves. Who knew that humble saluyot could do much? This plant is packed with flavonoids, polyphenols that protects against free radical damage, which may help fight cancer and keep you looking young. It's also amazing in stews and soup, and it works wonders for boosting your immune system. And the top 2, the silver medalist, turmeric. Turmeric's magical compound, curcumin, is one of the strongest anti-cancer agents out there. It helps block cancer cell growth, reduces inflammation, and is loaded with antioxidants, making it a fantastic addition to any skin care routine and essential for overall health. And top number 1, the gold medalist, the champion, moringa, or locally known as malunggay. First up, the superhero of the plant world, moringa. This plant is antioxidant powerhouse. It's packed with quercetin, chlorogenic acid, and vitamin C, all of which help fight cancer, slow down aging, and promote young-looking skin. If you want to stay young and healthy, this one's must for boosting your immune system. So there you have it, my top 26 anti-aging and anti-cancer plants that I grew right here in my own backyard. If I can grow them, you can too. No big fancy garden needed. Some of these can even thrive in pots, on your balcony, or windows. These plants are not just about looking good. They're about feeling great and giving your body the best defense against cancer and aging. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your friends and family so they can start growing their own healthy cancer-fighting garden too. This is Boyet, the Science Explorer, reminding you that health is in your hands and in your garden. See you in the next vlog!